If you can invest one day that could change every future day for the better, would you do it?
I'm going to tell everybody that I learned a lot about how to structure the organization, how to better run meetings, the power of one, how just tweaking a few parameters on the financial statements and balance sheet can have a 25% impact, at least for us, a 25% impact on improved profitability and about a 40% improvement in annual cash flow.
So I come to these things so that I can be away from the office, listening to smart people talk about how to run a business in an intelligent way, and it just makes me think, oh my goodness, I need to do that. Right? I would be glad to come once a quarter, and I would sit and think strategically. I would, I learn something new every single time for sure.
Our company has been in a moderate growth mode for several years in a row, and my main objective here was to figure out a way to break out of that moderate growth and grow exponentially. And a lot of this, I think, will be extremely valuable in achieving that goal.
Hi, this is Bahaa, and I have a passion for success. Your success. I get it, running business is hard, and it'll always be hard, but it does not have to be frustrating. You're able to shape your future a lot more than you think. You gotta clearly define where you wanna go, honestly assess where you are now, and put the steps to get from where you are to where you wanna go. If you're serious about scaling up your business, attend one of my full-day workshops to learn how. Or if you're interested in a private workshop at your company, get in touch with me to explore that option.